Car show at Maple Grove Raceway, and we're gonna look for some cool cars. I haven't been to a car show in like 2 years, so it's gonna be fun. See, all these dragsters are over here. We're trying to go to the actual car show, which I'm pretty sure is this over here. Focus, boy. This 370 is mad sick. 370. That Camry's pretty fresh.
Deadpool.
It's a TRD too. Del Sol. A Del Sol with the awards. Ooh, Turbo Boy. Howdy, boy. Boy.
Are we allowed to sit up there and watch the races?
Probably. I'm not sure. SRT4, boy.
24, 72-113 for Adam Warner.
Yo. Mazda 3, boy. It's a Mazda 3, boy. Huh. Yo.
Look, Liam, it's a baby car. It's a baby car.
It's a slammed skateboard. Crown Vic, boy.
Alright, track is clear and dry and clean. Let's go for another pair of cars. Angie Boyer in the right hand side. Going to be the first one down the track as we continue.
Yeah.
120.
Got another camo, boy. Pink.
Right, Jordan Jones, I'm told. Got to pick up one of our junior street racers. Set it up this season. So a little bit faster car. Jordan runs 15.99. 67 miles an hour, getting used to it.
He got peanut butter on him face. Speed 3, boy.
Pennington and Tina Ward coming.
It's a Tesla. Yep, that's some white camo over here.
Yeah, like that.
We're gonna have the camo awards after this. GTO.
Money trail packet. There in the bakery in town right now.
Focus RS. Here's a brand new GR86. First one I've seen up close. I've seen them on the road, but haven't seen one while out of a car. Nice. Subaru, it's a Bubaru. Alright, cleanest Speed 3 award goes to something tells me this car is fast and furious.
Oh my god.
Stop by to actually look at it. It's all his manual. Next day I'm
There's another contender for the Camo Awards. Whoa. We just walked right by R33. Is that a Supra? Yeah. Forester XT, boy. He might win that competition. This one got a little bit of tilt.
Have a competition for that?
I don't know, I just made it up.
Oh, I was gonna say that's
Got the tilty tilt. This TT is pretty sweet. We gotta look at the Speed 6, boy. Got the Evo wheels. Here's the Huracan. That is sick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Completely gutted. Alright, there's the only contender for the possible first place tilty wheels. Look at that, boy!
Liam, look!
Look at this car!
Liam didn't get to see it.